Hello friends, welcome to Skillfair and you are watching our React Native series. Today we are going to learn making APK for publishing it on Google Play Store. Building APK we will follow the React Native docs of publishing your app on Google Play Store. So for making APK first of all we'll need to make key tool. For building key tool make sure you have a perfect Java version, Java JDK version. Make sure you have correctly set your Java path in your environment variable. So to go to your bin directory, you should first enter your C drive, then your program files folder and then Java folder, and then there you find the JDK folder inside the Java folder. So here we'll be using Java JDK version 1.8.0. So move into that folder and in that you will find one bin folder. So move into the bin folder and copy the keytool command from the docs. After copying the keytool command, paste it into your bin folder and press enter. Here you need to fill some details and your password. For publishing your app on Play Store, Key Store plays a very important role. So remember your password, the organization name you will enter and the name of your key store, because if you lost once and you haven't entered the same details, you won't be able to update your app on Google Play Store. So here you will be asked your first name and last name. Enter your company's first name and last name. You will be asked organizational unit. Enter your company name there. Your city and locality. Enter your city or locality. 2-letter country code. Then you will be asked your 2-letter country code. Enter the country code. Now press yes and enter. And you will be asked the alias password. Enter the password. Re-enter your password and confirm. You will find your key store file inside the Java folder, inside the bin folder in Java folder. Now cut your file from there and paste it into your project Android. Inside Android, paste it into your app folder, and here you are done with the main step of building your APK. Now visit the docs and you will find setting up grader variables. So copy those 4 variables from there and inside Android you will find Gradle properties. Paste that 4 variables into the Gradle properties and replace it with your key store name, alias name and password of your key store, and also your alias password. Now we'll follow the further instructions. Open your docs and you will find pasting some code into your build.gradle. Inside build.gradle you will find a sign-in config. Inside you will find a debug object. After that debug object, paste that release object you have copied from your docs. Do not change anything. Here inside build types and release object, replace the sign-in config debug with the sign-in config release. And here you are done with all the steps. And now inside your project folder, go to your Android folder. First clean your Gradle. So for cleaning the Gradle, command is Gradle w clean. It will clean all your build folders and the Gradle inside your Android project. After the exit of command, enter Gradle W bundle release for making a bundle. So we can publish app with two types of files. First is bundle and second one is APK. So if you type Gradle W bundle release, a bundle is made, and if you type Gradle W assemble release, a APK is made inside your Android folder. It can take 10 to 15 minutes for building your APK, or more minutes if you have a slow processor. And here, when the command is exit, you will find your APK inside your Android app build output APK and release folder, and this is your APK. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.